When I installed the Starlink Mini on my F-150, my biggest question was, what would happen at highway speed? I expected some wind noise, and I wondered whether the dish might create enough drag or lift to move the mount. So far, that hasn't happened. I've noticed very little additional wind noise, and the mount has remained secure through highway driving and on gravel roads. The next test was downtown Calgary. We left the truck parked with the Starlink still on the roof.
See photographic evidence that it's still here?
Apparently it was. What I hadn't expected was that power and heat would become bigger considerations than wind. The wind shield shade helps when we're parked in direct sun. The Bluetti lets us shut the truck off and keep the Starlink running. That means uninterrupted internet without leaving the engine idling. So far, the JOYTUTUS mount is doing exactly what I wanted. I've linked it below and in the pinned comment if you're considering a similar setup. Field note number 2.